And Jetblue 76, any chance we can get toot to right?
76, I can pass it along for you. The next guy's making the calls here. I'll let him know you want it.
Thank you, sir.
And Jetblue 76, even though the guy next to me is a grump, he's going to give you 22 right. Set up for 22 right.
Roger, Jetblue 76, 22 right, thank you.
Jetblue 76, final approach 32-4, good day.
32-4, you have a good day, Jetblue 76.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, Jetblue 76, 4,000.
Blue 76, New York. Who told you you could have the right side?
The last guy.
I'm just kidding. That's proof. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
He said I was grumpy.
Sounded like he could be a little bit grumpy there for a minute, but that's all right. We'll let it go.
Did he really transmit that? Jetblue 117, maintain 3,000.
Just maintain 3,000, Jetblue 117.
Envoy 3866 saying 240, intercept 22 left, maintain 2,000.
240, intercept 2 to left, 2,000, Envoy 3866.
Tower, did you tell the other 46 on to monitor ground or just stay with you?
Just stay with me. You don't want to talk to him. He's cranky this morning.
No, we'll stay with you then. Give more coffee.
We're all cranky this morning.
Sorry, last call taken.
We are all cranky this morning.